I'm back! I fell from the sky, I dived through the ocean, and I climbed the highest mountain on earth. And while doing so, I've met amazing people, made friends for life. I've laughed and I've cried.
Your boat is fucked now.
But overall, I challenged myself out of my comfort zone. Oh my god, I'm dying here. I can't do this anymore. To realize what life is really about. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a really long time. I hope you didn't miss me. I missed you. I actually missed you guys. So I miss making videos, and so now I want to start again. It's been a while, maybe 2 years since I constantly posted some stuff. In the meantime, I was on Instagram posting some travel pictures. So if you don't know my Instagram, check it out. And I will post it somewhere here and attach it to the comment, to the box below, to the information box below. So I was traveling for 2 years, 1 year in Australia, 1 year throughout Asia. So as you might have noticed, my channel will be in English now. I want to try doing English, so all my friends that I met throughout the world can watch those videos too. I can keep in touch with them. I have a wonderful friend that you might know from my Instagram. Her name is Shakti, and I will give you a link somewhere maybe in the box below, and then you can check her out. She has also some really nice travel vlogs if you're interested. And sometimes I'm in there and I look terrible, so if you want to see how I look really terrible, you should watch those videos. I'm super excited and a little bit nervous. It's been so long. I have so many ideas I really want to share with you. I'm still gonna do DIYs. This is just so important to me. I love being creative, doing stuff myself, and upcycling. These are topics that still interest me and I really love, but there are so many more topics that I want to cover in my channel, so there will be some more travel vlogs, because I have so much footage from traveling, and I really want to share this footage with you because I think it's really awesome and funny and fun, and I want you to be part of my journey because it was just such a life-changing and life-altering experience. So I hope you're excited, because I'm super excited to share all of these great experiences with you and share what I've learned from traveling and so much more. It's just not traveling, but from other people I've learned and from things that I've done. But yeah, so this will all come in the next videos, and I'll try to keep posting frequently this time around. And yeah, so I wish you much love and compassion, and see you next time. Bye!
Her dirty balls and furry coat. Oh, she ran down the forest slopes, the forest of talking trees. They used to sing about the birds and the bees. The bees had declared, oh,